Bring out the confident you with Dr. Rashmi Sharma.
Hi guys, I am Dr. Rashmi, dermatologist practicing in New Delhi. So like every Wednesday, I'm back to guide you on some quick skincare tips. Today, I'm going to discuss something very interesting. I'm going to guide you on the correct sequencing of the various skincare products and how do you actually correctly layer your skincare products. So, like if you're not using them properly, then some of your skincare products are not able to penetrate deep enough, less effective, and even harming your skin. So, say for example, if you use a serum on the top of an oil-based application, then your skin will become dry and dehydrated. Or, for example, if you apply cream, serum, oil above your sunscreen, you're gonna dilute your sunscreen. So, in general, there are 3 guidelines which I will ask you to follow. Thinnest products to thickest product, water-based before oil-based, and lowest pH to highest pH. So for example, you must use a very thin, watery kind of product before your oilier products. And you should never mix oil and water-based products because they do not mix. So oil would block the water-based product from penetrating. So water-based should be first application, then followed by cream or oil-based. Coming to the pH, if you're not sure about the skincare pH, many times it's not even displayed on the cover. So then what I recommend is maybe you can space them. Something can be used in the morning and another product can be used in the evening. So quickly the correct sequence. First will be your cleanser. Cleanser could be anything, maybe a foam based or water based, any cleanser which is good for your skin type. Followed by, or maybe cleanse your skin, you can use a toner or a mist based application gently upon all of the skin. Between the cleanser and toner, once in a week, you can also go for something called as exfoliator, which should be a non-abrasive scrub-like exfoliator. The frequency should be once per week. Many times in your ingredient of the chemical exfoliator would be AHA or BHA like glycolic, lactic acid or salicylic acid. Sometimes it's incorporated in the cleanser. So then what I want to specify is that they make your skin sun sensitive. So be very particular about it. Do use sunscreen. So first is cleanser, followed by exfoliator once per week only, then your toner or mist, gently spray it on your face, followed by, wait for 1 or 2 minutes and followed by a serum application all over. Then will be your cream or moisturizer. The topmost layer is gonna be your sunscreen. The ingredient of your serum will be based upon the type of skin which you have and your dermatologist would be able to guide you about this. So follow the sequence to get the right skin type. Follow me for more podcasts. So now I'm gonna make an announcement that there is a little change in the podcast releasing schedule. From now onwards, I'm gonna release a podcast once in 2 weeks. So take care guys. Stay tuned. I'll be back after 2 weeks with another skincare tip. Take care.
Bring out the confident you with Dr. Rashmi Sharma.